Hello everyone, welcome to PNYC. I'm Pragati Adangre. Today we are going to discuss ICSE Mathematics 10 Standard MCQ, that are multiple choice questions. So this is a compulsory question for 15 marks. 15 questions will be there, 1 mark for each. Today we'll see two question paper, that is from 2022-23 and 23-24 question paper. So we'll first start with the question paper 2022 and 23. First question was on matrices. The question was 2004 2 by 2 matrices is given into xy 1 by 1 matrix is equal to 2 minus 8. Now we need to find out the values of x and y. So how to find out? So let's get started. First row, that is 2 0, will multiply to this column xy. What we get? 2x plus 0 y equal to 2. The value of x is 1. Again, second row, that is 0 4 multiplied by column xy equal to minus 8. What we get? 0 into x is 0 plus 4y is equal to minus 8. What we get? Y is equal to 2 minus 2. So option A is correct option, that is 1 minus 2. The second question we'll see. If x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus kx minus 12 polynomial equation is given, then the value of k is. Now we need to find out value of k. Here factor is given. Factor is given means what? X minus 2 is a factor. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2. We'll put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial equation. What we get? 2 cube minus 2k minus 12 is equal to 0. Solving this, what we get? K is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2. Correct option is option number C. Third question we'll see. This is from geometry, circle tangent. In the given diagram, RT is a tangent touching the circle. Here RT is given, tangent touching the circle at point S. If angle PST is 30 degree and angle SPQ 60 degrees, then angle PSQ is equal to what? We need to find out the angle PSQ. Now here you can see in circle we have one theorem, that is alternate segment theorem. What is the alternate segment theorem? The angle made by the chord and the tangent is equal to the angle made by the chord in the alternate segment. That means angle PQS is equal to angle PST. PST is 30, so PQS is also 30. This is our equation 1. Now let's consider this triangle PQS. In this triangle, we know angle P is 30 degree, angle Q is 30. Definitely we can find out angle S, that is PSQ, you can find out. So addition of three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle PQS plus angle PSQ plus angle SPQ is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQS 30 degree, angle PSQ we need to find out, plus angle SPQ is 60 is equal to 180 degree. Solving this, what we get? Angle PSQ is equal to 90 degrees. So correct option is option D. Fourth question is of probability. A letter is chosen at a random from all letters of the English alphabet. Now, how many English alphabets are there? 26. The probability that the letter chosen is vowel is. Now, vowels How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. So what will be the probability of choosing a vowel, or vowel will be there? So probability will be 5 upon 26. That means the number of vowel in English alphabet upon the number of English alphabet. That is 5 by 26. Correct option is option number B. Question 5 will see. Question 5 is, if 3 is a root of a quadratic equation x, then p is equal to. Now quadratic equation is given where p we need to find out. The quadratic equation is x square minus px plus 3 equal to 0. So how to solve? Now here 3 is root given. So root x is equal to 3, it is given. So we'll put x is equal to 3 in the given quadratic equation. What we get? 3 square minus p into 3 plus 3. That means 9 minus 3p plus 3. What we get? Minus 3p is equal to minus 12. So p is equal to 4. Correct option is option number A. Now sixth question. Sixth question is, in the given figure, angle BAP is equal to angle DCP. Now angle BAP is equal to angle DCP. Means A and C both are given 70 degrees, and then PC is 6. PC length is 6 centimeter and CA length is 4 centimeter. We need to find out the ratio PD is to DB. Now PD is to DB ratio we need to find out. How to calculate? Here it is given that angle BAP is equal to angle DCP, that is 70. Now AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. So corresponding angles are equal. Now applying basic proportionality, what do we get? PC upon CA equal to PD upon DB. So PC is 6 given, CA is 4 given. So PD upon DB is 6 by 4. So PD is to DB is 3 is to 2 dividing by 2. So correct option is option C, that is 3 is to 2. Now let's see question number 7. 7 is from unit 1. The printed price of an article is 3080 rupees. If the rate of GST is 10%, then the GST charge is. Now here rate of GST is given. We need to find out the GST charge. So GST charge, we'll put it in a formula. What is the formula for this? Here price, printed price into rate, that is 10% upon 100. So what we get? 308. Rupees 308 is the GST charge. Option number B is the correct option. Now let's see question number 8. Question number 8 is from trigonometry. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is equal to. Now 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, we can use the identity A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So here also what we'll get? 1 minus sin square A using the identity. But we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta we can put. So here also we get 1 minus sin square A. That means answer is cos square A. So correct option is option number D, that is cos square A. Let's move on to question number 9. The coordinates of a vertices of a triangle ABC are respectively -4, -2, 6, 2 and 4, 6. The centroid of G of the triangle is. Now, what is the formula for centroid? Centroid formula is C is equal to, you need to find out the coordinates. That means x coordinate and a y coordinate. For x coordinate, what is the formula? X1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, and for y coordinate y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So all the three coordinates are there. X1 y1 are -4 -2, x2 y2 are 6 2, x3 y3 are 4 6. So put in a formula, what we get? X coordinate as a 2 and y coordinate as a 2. So 2 comma 2 is the correct option, that is option number A is the correct option. Now 10th question. 10th question is on AP, that is arithmetic progression. The nth term of an AP is 2n plus 5 is given. Now nth term is given. We need to find out the 10th term. So how you can write nth term? That is Tn is equal to 2n plus 5 is given. Now we need to find out 10th term. That means we'll put 10 instead of n. So what we get? T10 is equal to 2 into n means 2 into 10 plus 5. That means 20 plus 5 is 25. So 10th term is 25. That means option number C is the correct option. Now 11th question. The mean proportional between 4 and 9 is. Now how to find out mean proportion? Mean proportion is equal to m is equal to under root x into y. X into y. So the mean proportion between the two numbers is defined as the square root of the product of the numbers. That means m is equal to under root x into y. Now x is 4 here and y is 9. So under root 4 into 9 means under root 36. That is nothing but the 6. So the mean proportion between 4 and 9 is 6. Correct option is option number B. Now 12th question. Which of the following cannot be determined graphically for grouped frequency distribution? Now for group frequency distribution, that means you will be having a set of data. In a set of data, what we can present graphically now? Graphically you can present median. That means arranging a data in either ascending or descending order and finding the middle term, that is median. Mode you can find out with a set of data, quartile also with a set of data. So median, mode and quartile can be shown graphically, but mean, what is mean? Mean is only single value. Single value you cannot show it graphically. What is mean? Mean is the sum of the values of a subject divided by number of value. That means you get one value which cannot be determined graphically. So correct option is mean, because median, mode and quartile you can show it graphically. So mean is a single value and cannot be compared and represented in a different values. Therefore, the determination of mean by graphical method is not possible. So mean is the correct option. That means option number D is the correct option. 13th question. Volume of a cylinder of a height 3 cm is 48 pi. Now radius of the cylinder is, need to find out radius of cylinder. What is given? Volume of cylinder is given. So what is formula for volume of a cylinder? Is 2 is equal to pi r square h. So pi r square is h is equal to 48 pi is given. Height is given. H is equal to 3 centimeter. So pi r square is h is equal to 48 pi. Pi will get cancelled. R square into 3 is equal to 48. Now this 3 will divide the 48. So r square is equal to 48 upon 3 is equal to 16. So r square is equal to 16 means r is equal to 4 centimeter. So correct option, option number C, 4 centimeter. Now question number 14. Naveen deposits rupees 800 every month in a recurring deposit account for 6 months. If he receives rupees 4,000 884 at the time of maturity, then the interest he earned. Now, Naveen deposits 800 every month, and this is for 6 months. So every month, that means the total money deposited in 6 months is 800 into 6, that is 4,800 rupees he has deposited in a 6 month. So money received at the time of maturity is also given, that is 4,884. Now what will be the interest then? You know the maturity amount, that is 4,884 minus he deposited amount in a 6 month is 4,800. So interest he earns is rupees 84. So correct option is option number A, that is rupees 84. Now 15th question, 15 last question from question paper 22-23. The solution set for the inequation 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 14, where x belongs to whole number. This is from linear inequations. Now inequation is given, and what they said, x belongs to whole number. Whole number set is number of positive numbers starting with 0, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till plus infinity is a set of whole numbers. Now we need to find out the solution set for this. So let's get started. What is the inequation? 2x plus 4 is less than or equal to 14. Let's take this 4 to RHS side. That means 14 minus 4. What we get? 10. 2x less than or equal to 10. Therefore, x is less than or equal to 5. Now, what is solution set? The range of x is less than or equal to 5, means 5 will also get included, and numbers less than 5 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the solution set? Solution set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So correct option is option number B. So these questions are from paper 22-23. Now we'll see next paper, that is questions from 23-24. So first question was from unit 1 only. For an intrastate sale, the CGST paid by a dealer to the central government is rupees 120. Now CGST in intrastate is given is 120 rupees. If mark price of an article is rupees 2000, the rate of GST is. Now we know for intrastate sale, CGST is equal to SGST, and GST amount will be addition of CGST plus SGST, that means 120 plus 120, that is 240 rupees. So the rate of GST will be the GST amount upon mark price into 100. GST amount is 240 upon mark price is 2000 into 100. What we get? 12% is the rate of GST. So correct option is 12%, that is option number C. Now, second question. What must be subtracted from a polynomial x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1 so that the result is exactly divisible by x minus 3? Now, polynomial equation is given, and it is asked that what will be the result that is exactly divisible by x minus 3. Now, let's put x is equal to 3. So, putting in equation x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1, what we get? 3 cube plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 1, what we get? 31. So, option number D is the correct option. Question number 3. The roots of quadratic equation px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0 are real and equal. Now roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. What is general quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We'll compare with this. So b square is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square, what is b square here? Minus q is b, so minus q square minus 4ac means 4 into pr. What do we get? Q square is equal to 4pr. Correct option is option number B. Now fourth question is on matrices. Matrix A is given 2, 2, 0, 2, 2 by 2 matrix, and A square is given 4x, 0, 4. Then what is value of x? Now A is given, A square is given. We need to find out this x from A square. So A square means what? A into A. So A into A, how you multiply? First row, first column, second row, second column, like that. So 2 plus 0, 2, 2 into 2 plus 0, that means 4 plus 0, then 4 plus 4, that is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2. Here 2 into 0, 2 into 0, and 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2, that means 0 plus 4. What we get? A square is 4804. Now we'll compare with the given A square. So what is the value of x here? X is nothing but 8. So value of x is 8. So correct option is option number C. Fifth question. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 64. Find the value of x. Now data is given here: 27, 31, 46, 52, x plus 4, 71, 79, 85, 90. The data is arranged in ascending order and median is given is 64. Now need to find out the value of x. Here two terms are given in a x form. So what will be the median? Here x plus 4, these two terms divided by 2 is equal to 64. It is already given. So solving this, what we get? 2x is equal to 64 into 2 minus 4, that is x is equal to 62. So x is equal to 62. Option C is the correct option. Sixth question. Point A, x comma y, B 3 comma minus 2 and C 4 comma minus 5 are collinear. The value of y in terms of x is. Now we need to find out value of y in terms of x. Means y is equal to something x. So coordinates are given A, B and C. They are collinear. So we can write like x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x3 minus x2 upon y3 minus y2. So what we get? Putting in the form, we get 3 minus x upon minus 2 minus y equal to 4 minus 3 upon minus 5 plus 2. So solving this, we get an equation in terms of x and y. What we get? Minus 9 plus 3x is equal to minus 2 minus y. In terms of y we want, so y is equal to 7, that is 2 minus 2 plus 9 is 7, and this 3x will be minus 3x. So y in terms of x, what we get? Y is equal to 7 minus 3x. Correct option is option number D. Seventh question. The given table shows the distance covered and the time taken by a train moving in at a uniform speed along a straight track. Now, uniform speed, they said, and distance and time is given in the tabular form. That means 60 meters, time is 2 seconds. For 90 meter, x seconds. For y meters, 5 seconds. Now we need to find out x and y. We know that speed is distance upon time. Using this, we can find out, first we need to find out the speed. That means 60 upon 2, that is 30. 30 meter per second is our time speeds. So 30 meter per second we get speed. Accordingly, putting that in this equation, we can find out x and we can find out y. So distance and time are directly proportional. So x is equal to 3 seconds and y is equal to 150 meters we get by using this equation. So correct option is option D. X is 3, y is 150. Eighth question, the seventh term of a given arithmetic progression, AP. Now we need to find out the seventh term. Here AP is given, that is 1 upon a, comma, 1 upon a plus 1, comma, 1 upon a plus 2, and so on. So how we find out seventh term? A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. We need to find out the seventh term, therefore n is 7 here. So a plus n minus 1 into d is our formula. So what is a? A means first term, that is 1 upon a plus 7 minus 1 is 6, and d is the difference, that is 1. That means what we get? 1 upon a plus 6. So 1 upon a plus 6 is our seventh term. So correct option is option number A. Ninth question. The sum invested to purchase 15 shares of a company of nominal value rupees 75 available at a discount of 20% is. Now the sum invested to purchase 15 shares. We need to find out. So money invested will be the number of shares into market value of one share. Number of shares are 15. Now market value of a one share. So nominal value is rupees 75. So 75 minus discount is 20%. That means minus 20% discount, 20% of 75. That means 15 into 60, that is rupees 900. So money invested is rupees 900. So correct option is option number D. 10th question. The circumcenter of a triangle is the point which is. Now options are given. So what is circumcenter? Circumcenter of a triangle is a point which is at an equal distance from the three vertices of the triangle. You know that. So correct option will be what? Option number B, at an equal distance from the three vertices of a triangle. Question number 11, trigonometry. Statement 1 is given, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And statement 2 is cosec square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now which of the following is valid? We know the identities from trigonometry. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is the correct identity. But second, cos square theta plus cot square theta is not equal to 1. What is the identity? Cos square theta minus cot square theta is 1 is the correct identity. So which one is valid? Only one. That means first statement is valid. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is the valid statement. Correct option is option number A. 12th question. on circle. In the given diagram, PS and PT are tangent. Here PS and PT are the tangents to the circle. SQ parallel to PT. SQ parallel to PT and angle SPT. Angle SPT is equal to 80 degrees given the value of angle QST. Now we need to find out the value of angle QST, that means this theta. Now here let's say angle QST with theta will consider. Now angle STP is angle equal to angle QST, that is equal to theta, that are alternate interior angles. So these are alternate interior angle, means this T and S. These are alternate interior angles. Now angle SQT, this angle is equal to angle STP, that means this angle, which is also equal to theta, that means from alternate segment theorem. Again angle PST, this theta, this angle is equal to angle SQT, that means this angle. You know that SQT is theta, so PST will also theta. Again alternate segment theorem. So what we get? Now if we consider the triangle PST, because we need to find the QST, we need to find out QST. Now if we consider this triangle, so we can definitely find out theta, because your QST is nothing but the theta. So we know that this is theta, this is theta, this is 80. Addition of these three is 180 degree. So what we get? 2 theta plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. So theta will be 50 degrees. So what will be the QST? QST is theta, that means 50 degree. Option number D is the correct option. Let's see question number 13. Assertion. A die is thrown once and the probability of getting an even number is 2 by 3. And reason are the sample space for even number on a die is 2, 4, 6. Now, when we consider a die, on die, how many even numbers are there? 2, 4 and 6, right? 3. And on a die, total 6 numbers are there, right? So a die is thrown once and the probability of getting even number is 2 by 3 is the wrong statement, because even numbers are 3 but on a die 6 numbers are there. So this is wrong one. The sample space for an even number on a die is 246. So on a die sample space even number is 246, the correct statement. That means your A statement is false and B statement is true. That means option B is correct, that is A is false and R is true. 14th question is, in a rectangular sheet of paper of size 11 centimeter into 7 centimeter is first rotated about the side 11 centimeter and then about side 7 centimeter to form a cylinder as shown in the diagram. The ratio of their curved surface area is. Now rectangular sheet is given, that is 11 by 7 centimeter. Now first, what they said, the rectangular sheet is rolled to form a cylinder. First from 11 centimeter and second from the 7 centimeter. So what will be the ratio of their curved surfaces? Now curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Now we'll take a ratio. First ratio 2 pi RH, that is 2 pi first radius 2 pi r. Now here 2 pi r, when we say, that means circumference of the circle. So if we roll about 11 centimeters, so 2 pi r will be 11. What will be h there? H will be 7. And when we roll from 7 centimeter, 2 pi r is nothing but 7. So 7 into height will be 11. So 11 into 7 upon 7 into 11 is 1:1 ratio. So curved surface area ratio for the given is 1:1. That is option number A is the correct option. Now 15th question. In the given diagram, triangle AB is similar to triangle PQR. That means angle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If AD and PS are bisectors of triangle BAC and QPR respectively, then now AD and PS are the bisectors. AD and PS are the bisectors. That means they are bisecting this angle A and angle B. Now, among these, which will be the correct option? Let's check. Triangle ABC. Now, for a similarity, what is the condition? For similarity, if you have two triangles, so they should be equiangular. They should be equiangular and the ratio of their lengths, that means ratio of the larger object is to length ratio to the smaller object should be same. That means AB upon PQ should be equal to AC upon PR. So these are the two conditions for the similarity. So first is they should be equiangular. That means angle A, angle B, angle C, angle P, angle Q, angle R should be same. And the ratio AB is to PQ or AC is to PR must be equal. That is called the scale factor. So let's check. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This triangle is similar to triangle PQS. Now here, angle B and angle Q are same. Angle A and this angle, that is BAD, is equal to QPS. But angle C is not equal to angle S. That means they are not equiangular. That means they are not similar. So option B is not a correct option. Let's see option A is not a correct option. So let's see option B. Option B is triangle ABD. ABD is similar to PQS. Now here angle A similar to angle P. Angle B similar to Q, angle D similar to angle S. Here ratio AB to PQ is equal to BD to QS. So they are equiangular and the ratio of the lengths is also equal. That means these two triangles are similar. So correct option is option B. Similarly, you can check for these two options as well. Are they equiangular and the scale factor is same? You can check. So correct option is option B, that is triangle ABD is similar to angle PQ. A. Now, this was the last question, that is 15th question from paper 23-24 MCQs from your previous 2 years question papers. MCQs are very important from your section A because they are compulsory. So try to solve maximum MCQs so that your 15 marks will be in your hands. So try to solve maximum MCQs, and this will be possible if your concepts are clear and you do more practice. So thank you.